Well, hey, y'all, I just installed these solar fence lights around my pool, and I thought I'd give you a quick look at what you get and share an installation tip that can save you some frustration. So here's what you'll find in the box. This pack comes with 8 lights, a one-page user manual, a cardboard template, which, by the way, I'm not using, and I'll explain that in just a bit. And one detail I do appreciate is that the included screws are stainless steel. Each light has a small solar panel on the top and the power switch is underneath. Just hold the switch to turn on the lights and then tap through to cycle each color. Now, since the lights only work in the dark, you'll need to go somewhere dim to see the color changes. I made this wooden template so I'd know exactly where to drill the holes for the screws. I also added a center mark to help line it up with the exact spot where I want each light to go. Now, if you're installing the lights on a fence or a wall, you can place a level on top of the template before you drill the second hole to make sure the lights are not crooked once they're mounted. Now, I hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, please give it a quick like so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.